Okay, good evening, everyone. So, we are here for the info session of the Solution Challenge event, which is going to be held the whole 2 month from the starting date today, and the final submission date will be to 31 of March. So, what is Solution Challenge? We are going to see here. As everyone can see, the overview of the solution challenge here. It's the Google Developer Student Club event, which is here to conduct and solve the United Nations all the 17 problem which is designed by the United Nations to be covered to the 2030. What are these problems we are going to see in these slides later on. For now we are it's the event like in a scenario, for the simple word we can see that this is the event in which we are going to conduct some ideathon and a hackathon types of thing, in which you all are doing the learning the skills and making a solution from these skills. Specifically, more specifically, these skills will be of the Google technologies which you are going to use, and from these technologies you are building some real world problem. uh, Likewise, the real world problem, I mean say the problem which are solving the real problem which we are facing locally. For example, one of the problem which is the of poverty, lack of education, something like this. So you have to build some program. You have to build some idea for that. You have to submit that idea in the ideathon phase. If your idea got selected, then you have to build a solution from that idea. This is the mass thinking of your mind, in which you are going to learn the problem, think about that problem, and make a solution of that problem. Okay, let's play this video for once. Okay, so next we come to the eligibility. What will be the eligibility for the solution challenge, participating in the solution challenge? For participating, the team can be of more than the 4 people. You can form a team from 1 to 4 people, which according to your convenient. And after that, uh, there are some criteria in the forming the team. These are some like the students, at least one student in a team should be from the GDSC chapter from which you are submitting the solution. Like we say, we are having Jabalpur Engineering College GDSC chapter. Okay, so if you are submitting the solution from the JEC, then one of your members should be from the JEC. Other 3 member can be from the different colleges, but at least one from will be from the JEC. And other that is the second term is that every member in the team should be a part of any GDSC chapter. It's not compulsory that he or she should be the part of the GDSC JEC. He can be a part of any other chapter like UIT and some other colleges whichever having the GDSC chapter. So they can be a part, and you all can form these teams. uh, okay, these are the criteria, some 18-year-old which you all follow. I think we all are undergraduate, so we have to skip this. Now, the timeline for the solution challenge. As we know that it is started from the first event is from on the 18th of January, the starting event, and I am announcing this challenge here on the 31st of January. So you are getting the whole 1.5 month till 17th of March to make the solution, make the problem, identify the problem, make the idea of that problem, and make a solution of that. You have to submit the solution by 17th of March, और हाँ 17th of March को हमें पूरा सोल्यूशन सबमिट नहीं करना है, यहाँ तक हमें सिर्फ एक प्रोटोटाइप तैयार करना है कि यू हैव टू सबमिट, यू हैव टू मेक योर आइडिया। आइडिया जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उस प्रॉब्लम का आइडिया तुम्हें पूरा बनाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आपको सोल्यूशन पूरा बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट टेक लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम, आई नो। सो आपको एक प्रोटोटाइप तैयार करना है कि हाँ ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम जो है हमारा जो लोकेलिटी वो फेस कर रही है, उस प्रॉब्लम को हम सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या तैयार कर रहे हैं। तो वो प्रॉब्लम के लिए हमें जो सोल्यूशन है उसका वो सोल्यूशन रेडी करना है। तो उसके लिए हमें कुछ प्रोटोटाइप बनाना है कि हाँ अगर हमारा ऐप रहेगा उसमें या वेबसाइट रहेगी उसमें जो पेजेस रहेंगे वो कुछ समथिंग समथिंग इस टाइप के दिखेंगे या ऐसा कुछ रहेगा, है ना। तो उसके लिए 17th of March से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी सबमिशन और लास्ट डेट रहेगी 31st of March। इसमें आपको सिर्फ रिटर्न सबमिशन देना है, कोई भी ऐप या लिंक, इसमें आपको रिटर्न सबमिशन देना है और उस आपको अपने ऐप या वेबसाइट या जो भी आप सोल्यूशन बनाएंगे, हो सकता है कोई न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी कुछ लोग कर लें, तो उस चीज का आपको एक वीडियो बना के जो आपका प्रॉब्लम है और जो सोल्यूशन वो सॉल्व कर रहा है उसका एक प्रोटोटाइप वीडियो बना के सबमिट करना है 31st of March से पहले। सो आज 31st of January है, 31st of March you have the 2 month. After that, in the month of April, there will be a evolution time. The whole month evolution of your submission will be done, and in the month of May, 3 May, the top 100 winners will be announced globally. You all are submitting your prototypes. If you got selected in the top 100 globally, you will be getting a mentorship. So you will be getting mentorship from the different big MNCs, like जो भी बड़ी बड़ी MNCs उनसे आपको mentorship मिलेगी, और उनकी mentorship के अंदर आप आगे काम करेंगे। मेंटरशिप और साथ साथ में जो भी फंडिंग्स वगैरह रहेंगी वो भी आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। और June 2 is the date for the final submission. After that, on the June of 19 June, top 10 global team will be announced, and after that, the top 10 teams will be showcased in the demo days presentation. Demo days is likewise the Google biggest event which held every year. It is the online event. It held on the YouTube live. And after 3, yeah, it's on August 3, Solution Challenge Demo Day. Top 3 winner will be announced at that Demo Day solution event. This is the whole timeline for the event. I think you are getting whole 2 month to build the problem to solve that any problem. Okay, this is the timeline checklist. We are at yeah. So if you are have not joined the GDSC chapter, I'm not saying from this college. If you are from different institute, you have to join the GDSC chapter from here or in your institute. This is the first criteria for the solution challenge participation. After that, you have to identify the solution. You have to all the learn you have to watch carefully all the 17 such problems, and you have to identify your idea from that and problem which we are facing, the world is facing nowadays, and you have to design your solution. For that, in the step 6, it is clearly mentioned that you have to first build a front end, then back end for that. In the step 7, you have to test the solution. After testing the solution, you have to record your videos of that and submit it before 31st of March. This is all the criteria which I have already taught you. This is the criteria. Uh, Submission criteria. These are the points for which you are getting the point. This is the criteria by point wise here given here. In this, you have first you have to mention the problem statement which the problem you are facing and the world is facing now. You have to specify your problem statement. And in the second step, uh, this is what I'm showing. You have to answer these all question in the submission form, which will open on the 17th of March. In the second, you will be mentioning what inspired you and what is your solution for that problem, and how your app or website or any other instrument which you have made is solving that problem. This you all have to mention it. You have to make a video. Again, you have to submit that all the scalable step you have to shown here in that video. These are also a criteria problem statement. This is the submitting solution problem statement criterias. How you can you have to you can make a problem like who are the people, like if you are making a solution of a hunger issue. So who are the people who are facing, or the community who are facing the hunger issue? You have to mention in the submission. And what problem? The problem is basically that they are not getting the proper food, like illness kind of thing which the poor people are facing. So you have to mention in what problem we are facing and when, where and when. uh, you have to mention in that where they are living on, or something like, and why the problem. So and why you for the hunger issue, we all can mention that poor people and business वगैरह thing. Oh, this is the judging criteria. This is not the specific criteria for all who are trying to uh, trying to jump to the solution challenge. These all will be the judging criteria which the team of the judges will seeing in your solutions. Uh, uh, I will be sharing this slide to you all, and you can specifically get your solutions according to this judging criteria to get the higher impact of points. Okay, now the everyone wants to know here the what will be the price for this. So in the price section, all participant, each and every participants who will be trying to solve the problem will get a official solution challenge certification. Also that also with this you will be getting a Google developer digital profile badges. This is all for the who will be participation prizes. After that, if you your team got selected into top 100, the first thing which I have already mentioned, that you will be getting a mentorship. After is there mentioned the branded t-shirt, and also the top 100 solution challenge certificate. In this mentorship, the funding from the MNCs will also be included in this to build your solution more and more effective and get it to the higher level. And top 10 finalists, I have already mentioned that top 10 finalists will be getting the continue mentorship, and The specific swag box you will be getting social recognition. Also, you will be announced. You will be shown in the YouTube Solution Day Solution Challenge, and top 10 Solution Challenge certificate also. Now, okay, huh. So the top 10 finalists also will be getting a $100,000 prize, cash prize. It's really a big thing which each and every participant in the team will be getting. And for now, for the last, the top three winners will be getting the cash prize of $3,000 along with all the benefits which these all are will be getting. This is the final prize which you will be getting. And after, instead of this prize, you will also getting you will also be building your solutions. For that, you will also building your skills to the high level, and it will be definitely helpful for your future. Huh. Okay, so I think more students are here. So whoever have not filled the form, you all can scan this QR code and fill the solution challenge form, which have to be filled by each and every participant. This is the form which it's not meant for the team or something. Like, each and every participant have to fill this form so that they can participate in the solution challenge. I'm again sending the link on the chat box also. You can go through the link and fill the form. Now we are moving forward. These The main thing is that I'm talking about the 17 sustainable development problems. But what are these problems? So these are the 17 sustainable development problems in which we are wanted to make these problem under a solution and problem statement under these main problems. In the first, we are having the no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, good health and well-being. Fourthly, we are having the quality education. Fifth, the gender equality. Sixth, the clean water and sanitization. Seventh is affordable and clean energy. Eighth, the decent work and economics growth. Then we have industry, innovation, and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water. 15th is the life on land, peace, justice, and strong institute, partnership for the goals. Okay, these are the problem which is announced by uh, United Nations, which will be fulfilled till 2030. So the sustainable develop, for example, I'm saying everyone have their mind how they can build the problem under this. So for example, मैं एक like जीरो हंगर, अगर मैं चूज करता हूँ सेकंड जीरो हंगर, तो आपको ये सोचना है कि आप इसके अंदर कैसे कोई प्रॉब्लम, इसके अंदर क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम अभी हम फेस कर रहे हैं और उसका क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है। जैसे कि मैं बताऊं कि अ, अभी जैसे जो पुअर लोग हैं उनको खाना नहीं मिलता, कई लोगों को उनको दो वक्त का खाना भी नहीं मिलता, तो उसके लिए ना हम एक कोई ऐसी ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई, तो उसके लिए कोई सोल्यूशन बना सकते हैं। लाइक जैसे सबने देखा होगा, ग्वारी घाट सब लोग गए होंगे, वहां पर लोग रहते हैं, बच्चे रहते हैं छोटे छोटे, तो वहां पे मतलब उनको खाना नहीं मिलता, या उनके परिवार की इतनी वो नहीं है कि वो दो वक्त का खाना वो कर पाए, तो ये एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है ना। तो इसका सोल्यूशन हम एक बना सकते हैं कि या तो हम एक मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, इसमें लोग और कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं, कुछ भी बना सकते हैं कि एक कोई एक वेबसाइट या एक हम ऐप बना सकते हैं जिसमें जैसे कुछ होटल्स हैं या रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह जो भी हैं, तो वहाँ पे खाना बच जाता है, या कुछ एनजीओज वगैरह तो वो तो जाते ही है वहाँ पे, पर कभी क्या क्या होता है कि होटल्स और रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह में खाना बच जाता है, या वो बहुत सारे इश्यूज रहते हैं, कभी कभी आपके पास कुछ फंक्शन रहता है या कुछ रहता है, तो वहाँ पे ना ज्यादा खाना बन जाता है तो बच जाता है। तो वो उसके लिए ना हम एक ऐप या एक वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं जिसमें आप जो भी बचा है खाना या जो कुछ भी आपकी क्वांटिटी है वो उसमें मेंशन कर सकता है। और एक इंस्टीट्यूट जो भी है तो वो उसमें मेंशन कर सकता है। तो वो जो थर्ड पार्टी रहेंगे लाइक एनजीओज वगैरह हैं, तो एनजीओज वगैरह भी उसमें हम रजिस्टर करा सकते हैं। तो जो इंडिविजुअल जहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट या होटल जहाँ पर भी खाना बचेगा, और या फिर आपके फंक्शन में अगर खाना बच जाता है, तो वो एनजीओज के बंदे क्या करेंगे कि वो खाना आपसे, आप जैसे उसमें डालेंगे तो वो उनको शो होने लगेगा। तो वो आपसे खाना कलेक्ट करके और वहां तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। अब अगर आप एनजीओ से नहीं, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप खुद ये काम करें, तो आप भी मतलब ऐसा कुछ बना सकते हैं कि वो पहुंचा सकते हैं। ये मतलब एक मेरा आइडिया है ना। आप इसके अलावा कुछ और भी कोई भी एक प्रॉब्लम ले सकते हो, लाइक नो पॉवर्टी की हो गई, गुड हेल्थ के लिए हो गई, है ना। तो गुड हेल्थ के लिए अभी हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम जैसे कोविड 19 आया था, तो उसके लिए, या फिर एक सिंपलेस्ट वे में देखा जाए गुड हेल्थ के लिए, तो एक रिमाइंडर ऐप भी बना सकते हैं। जो आपको मतलब डेली रिमाइंडर, लाइक हर किसी के मोबाइल में जो रहता है, आजकल देखा होगा कि मोबाइल में रहता है स्टेप काउंटर वगैरह, या रिमाइंडर ऐप रहता है। अगर हम आज ना चलें या कोई एक्सरसाइज ना करें, तो वो हमें रिमाइंडर देने लगता है। तो इतना एडवांस नहीं, अगर आप लर्निंग फेज में हैं या जो लर्न कर चुके हैं तो वो बना सकते हैं। अगर आप लर्निंग फेज में हैं तो आप सिंपली ये भी बना सकते हैं कि जो सिर्फ रिमाइंडर दे रहा है आपको टाइम टू टाइम कि हाँ अब आपको एक्सरसाइज करना है, ये लाइक टू डू लिस्ट टाइप का रहेगा, है ना। तो ये बहुत सिंपल चीज है जो हम बना सकते हैं और इसमें सबमिट कर सकते हैं। ओके, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द ऐप। ये अर्थली ऐप है, ये डिजाइन किया हुआ है। और ये ना, ये तीन प्रॉब्लम जो है मैंने अभी बताई थी, इसमें इसकी ये 13th 14th और 15th प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहा है, लाइक क्लाइमेट एक्शन, लाइफ बिलो वाटर एंड लाइफ ऑन द लैंड। तो ये एक ऐप है जो ये बायोडाइवर्सिटीज की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करता है। ये शायद पिछले साल बना हुआ है और ये टॉप 3 में था। हाँ, एक और प्रॉब्लम जो पिछले साल टॉप 2 में था, ये गुड हेल्थ के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहा था। शायद कुछ लोगों ने ये न्यूज में वगैरह में भी देखा होगा। ये वियतनाम के किसी, ये 4 लोगों ने डिजाइन किया हुआ था। ये जो था कोविड 19 के स्कैनिंग वगैरह के लिए उन्होंने इस ऐप बनाया हुआ था, जो मशीन से डायरेक्ट वो हो सकता था आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की मदद से, जिसमें इन्होंने ये गूगल्स की प्रॉब्लम को, सॉरी, गूगल की टेक्नोलॉजीज को यूज किया करके सोल्यूशन डिजाइन किया था। Okay, these are the step which you have to take in your mind to build your problem. In the first stage, you will getting an idea of, you have seen these 17 problem, 17 goal of the United Nations. Under that, you have to fix any of the goal, and you have to specify your problem and idea, know your idea and solution for that problem. You have to think of that, the what can be the solution for the problem. Okay, and after that you have to, which I have already mentioned, that you have to design a prototype of that, build that prototype, test that prototype, and deploy that prototype. This will be your whole journey for building a project. And for building you have to use these technologies. So like if here are the some students of first year or second year also, if you have clearly mentioned that you have to use only, not only these, but the technologies, these are the main technologies of Google, which everyone uses. It is of the TensorFlow for machine learning, Google Cloud, which everyone knows, Firebase, Android, and Flutter. Okay, these are the technologies which you have to use. This is for the web dev. Okay, you have to use for building your solutions under these 17 sustainable development problem. During the this is which is specific in this, the final price after building the solution. For building the solution, from my side I will be providing, we will be providing you, uh, we will be providing you the learning path in a day 2 by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. you will be getting a mail from our side, in which we will be providing you all the links from the for the courses design specifically designed by the Google architect and the Google engineers for each and every platform, whether it is TensorFlow, Google Cloud, Firebase, Android Flutter, Web, anything it is. It's Angular, web development. You know the Angular framework. So we will be providing the specific links for all the courses, and which is designed by the Google engineers. And after completing those courses, you can learn all the platform and build your solution for the solution challenge. Also, by completing those, you will be getting a badge from the side of Google after completing that course. With instead of that, we will be also the one who will register in that mail. We will also include a form which you have to fill the by the participant who are willing to join the solution challenge in the future. So we will be providing them the free hosting and free domain name to them for the 3 year next 3 year, which is by the specific by the Google. So you will be getting the free domain name for maximum of each team can get a maximum of 2 domain name, which will be free for you all for the next 3 year. And the hosting is already free by the GitHub, you all know. So we will be providing you the free domain name for the next 3 year to only those to the whole team which will be willing to join the solution challenge. Okay. And other than that, one more thing, like the people who will working on the Google Cloud or on the Firebase, you will be getting a credit, a specific credit for the Google Cloud and Firebase technology for the whole year to build your solution in that and deploy in these technologies. So you will be getting the credit for that. So no worry for anything the problem during the uh, working and making process of your challenge solutions. Uh, Now, at last, this is all from my side. If you are, I'm opening the solution page and the rest. Okay. If you guys still have any queries, you all can ask in the chat box. Okay, guys, if you have any query, you can ask in the chat box. Other than that, we will be sharing you the mail in which you will get all the link to the solutions. Sorry, you will get the link for all the learning paths specifically designed by them. Or if you have any queries in this or other than this, you are free to ask in the chat box, which is open now. Okay. You thank you guys. I think no one have any query. You all can leave now.